Hey you guys, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. So what I'm going to be doing is cooking some flounder for the first time, and I've never had it, and I'm going to cook it in my air fryer. So first I'm going to add some herbs and garlic. Also, if you do want to add it, you can add some white vinegar wine, at least 2 teaspoons, and also 2 teaspoons of this garlic and herb sauce. Also, you want at least a sprinkle of garlic pepper, garlic powder, or any kind of garlic sauce that you can add to the shrimp and fish. Also, do a sprinkle of black pepper to it. And a sprinkle of Cajun seasoning. So you definitely want this Cajun seasoning because it brings out the taste and everything in the flounder and the shrimp. Then I'm gonna add some bell peppers and onions. I get these bell peppers and onions from Dollar Tree, and I feel like that they're worth the money, because if I go to like Kroger or Walmart, I'm literally spending like $2.99 just for a bag of frozen bell peppers and onions. So this is definitely worth your money. Then I'm going to put it in the air fryer for 25 minutes. And I also added a few cubes of butter to it as well. I have the air fryer on 400, and this is the way it came out. I also put a potato in the microwave, and I microwaved the potato for 10 minutes, and it came out super good. And also this flounder was excellent. Like, I would definitely eat flounder again. And here are some other photos of what the presentation looks like afterwards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.